Louis Gohmert went on Fox News to clarify some comments of his that cause a little bit of controversy, and he's going to fail at life again.
Let's move on to another topic that caused some controversy. First, let's hear a soundbite of something that you said on the House floor.
We're seeing more and more young women, single women coming before me, single moms, charged with welfare fraud.
So that you said, you went on to say one of the reasons you got into public service, got into Congress, is because of this. Do you want to expand on that?
Well, yeah, and I talked at length on the floor, and literally, Brian, thank God for Fox News. You get the truth out. You get actually what was said. The left tried to say I was attacking single moms. And if you listen to what I said, the whole point was it bugged the fire out of me that these young women, and the stories were usually very, very similar. They got bored with high school, and somebody'd say, hey, drop out. The government will send you a check for every child you can have out of wedlock. They have one child, and they find out that's really not enough to live on. They have another and another.
Right.
Now, fortunately, everybody didn't do that. But what got me is, for so many young women, the government, meaning well, lured them into a hole or rut they couldn't get out of without having to try to cheat and get a job and keep the welfare. So
let me just get real quick. This is
the critics government's fault.
They misconstrued what you said.
It's the government's fault.
Oh, now it all makes sense. That's exactly what we thought you said. You didn't clarify anything. You just told us we were right. Look, the way that progressive outlets, myself included, the way everybody talked about it was he's basically saying he got into politics because there are greedy single mothers. But now he comes out there and says, no, that's not what I was saying. I was saying it's the government's fault for giving these mothers all that stuff. Yeah, that's the same thing. If you're blaming the government, you're still saying that there was a willing participant that's a single mother that went to the government looking to game the system. So you are saying that there are greedy single mothers who go to the government and try to get free stuff. And they're leeching, they're parasites, they're moochers. And the point that we said from day one is, that's not true, you idiot. I don't believe you, Louis. I don't believe you. I don't believe you when you say, oh yeah, we had women lined up down the block, looking to get their welfare checks, and they had these kids and they're looking to get free money from the government. You're making it up. You know how I know you're making it up? Because that's not the way that the welfare system works. That's not the way the food stamps works. That's not the way the Medicaid works. There are rigorous standards to get into those programs, and then you're not promised the world when you're in there. It's barely enough to keep you alive, if that. Oftentimes it's less than that. It's not something to be, to look at and say, oh, isn't that my dream to live like that the rest of my life? That doesn't happen. Actually, that's not fair. I will say in 1% of cases that does happen. And where am I getting that number from? The studies on the fraud rate in all these different government programs. The SNAP fraud rate, 1%. The Social Security disability fraud rate, 1%. Oh, hell, I'll be kind. Even maybe as many as 3% of people live like that. But you want to throw out the baby with the bathwater, that's the problem. You want to say, I don't want to help out people with a social safety net who genuinely need it. I want to put my middle finger up to the 99% of people who use those programs and it actually helps them get back on their feet. Screw them, just so I could say screw you to the greedy single mothers who go to the government. That's the thing, Louis. We don't believe you. You're wrong. And by the way, this was the old Ronald Reagan thing, too. Ronald Reagan came up with a totally fictional character, this welfare queen mother, this greedy black woman who lived on she made $150,000 from the government, scamming the different programs and this and that. There was no evidence that woman ever existed. But Republicans just assumed it has to be true because Overlord, Chancellor, Supreme Emperor Ronald Reagan told us it was right, so his saint holiness must be correct. And look, the main point here is your priorities are so comical and so silly that we laugh at you as a human being. You're a joke, Louis Gohmert. We laugh at you. We laugh at you. And the reason why we do that is you're out there talking about big government and this problem and that problem and the parasites and the moochers. Great. You want to know who the real moochers are? Who the real parasites are? All those assholes on Wall Street. The rich white guys with the suits and ties. They crashed the fucking economy and then we bailed them out. The middle class bailed them out. The poor bailed them out. Our tax dollars went to give them bonuses after they crashed and bankrupted their companies. That's not the way capitalism works. Capitalism is, if you fail, you fail. Sorry, you gave it a good run. That's the free market. But when they failed, we bailed them out. And then they remodeled their offices to the tune of millions of dollars. They bought new private jets. I mean, the things that they did, those are the welfare queens. Walmart is a welfare queen. We subsidize them tremendously. ExxonMobil gets a $4 billion subsidy every year. They are welfare queens. Defense contractors are welfare queens. But you don't say a fucking word about them. You only want to talk about the single mothers. Because, of course, a woman who's already at a position in her life where she's, she's behind. She's in trouble. It's, oh my God, I have this massive responsibility. I got to take care of a kid or multiple kids. I don't make enough money to do that. And she needs a wee bit of help from society because, she figures we actually are civilized as human beings and we're not Neanderthal barbarians. And people like Louis Gohmert want to say, no, fuck off. I'm too busy giving money to these rich assholes over here who are tanking the economy. I'm not going to help out you when you just need your little kid to be able to eat and you need to make the rent so you don't go homeless.